Welcome to the Green Harvest Cannabis Company, located at 95 U.S. Highway 101 in Hoquiam, Washington, 98550. This is an informative video produced by Charles Fike, the president of the Green Harvest Corporation. Liquor Control Board license application number 413339 and 41 known as Site A, of which we're going to have a video tour, and 413340 known as Site B, which is currently an appeals hearing at the State Attorney General's office. So let's proceed with the tour. Currently, we are 2 weeks out to complete the build out of the site, and currently that consists of final electrical upgrades, as well as ventilation and the ducting. So that is the main power box for the building, and you see that pole has 3 transformers on it, and it was last week that we had an additional 200 amps of 480 three-phase power installed here with the local power company. So the local contractors, Hometown Electric, upgraded this system, and we now have 600 amps of 480 three-phase power. Use Hometown Electric, folks. Always there for your hometown needs. Now, in addition to this, we have advanced air and heating. This is our ADA ramp. Also, our parking lot ramp goes up here to the building. Now, we are also using advanced heating and air, who are doing the ducting work. So let's go inside and see what it's all about. Here we have the owner, Chad Larson, doing the installation of the ducting. This ducting required a permit, and it involves installing a custom-made duct that will go out into the wall. Each one of these tents have 14-inch outline fans, which you see here. Let's take a look at these tents. Each tent is 20 feet by 60 feet by 17.5 feet tall. As you can see, it's very, very technological. We have exactly 33 lighting hoods here, arranged in 3 rows of lights.
Easy to use with the best stock for up to 90% off. Seriously? Wow.
Why can't everything I want be like that?
They are now installing
extra large pizza. That'll be $1.
What?
the outline fans and ducting system. Those are 14-inch
What the?
outline fans. That is a huge outline ducting fan. 2 ducting 14-inch fans.
Wish app or visit wish.com/Pandora.
So let's take a look. This tent will be filled with tables, 8 rows of tables. Each table is 6 feet long. We'll take a look at those. That's a dehumidifier. Each tent has 2 dehumidifiers. Dehumidifiers. There are 11 fans, oscillating fans on each wall. And then you have fans on the floor. That louver, behind that louver is a huge heater. Actually, that's the heater right there. Those are 12-inch inline fans, vortex fans. 12-inch going in, 14-inch going out. These fans fill the inner spaces between the double line tents. So you see, imagine this full of tables now. 8 rows of tables. Each row is 54 feet long. These were custom made and require a county permit, which is the remainder. This should be done in a week. These are the other huge ducts, and these are all the ducting parts that go into it. Ducting parts, ducting parts. An engineer come in and do a load calculation for this. Pardon me, I'm doing a film for the Liquor Control Board, and if you don't mind, if you could just tell me in 2 minutes what you're doing and when do you think you might have it done?
We're doing the exhaust ducting, and we'll probably be done with it by Monday.
Okay, and this is the one that required the permit, right?
Correct.
Right, and this is this connects all the fans and everything, and it goes out the door.
Correct.
Or out the wall.
Yep.
Wow, thank you so much.
No problem.
And it's going to go out this wall here. Let's take a side look. This is the side view of the tents. Okay. This is the second tent. Okay. This is the second tent. Similar exact design. There's the other, there's the first dehumidifier. These are vertical exhausts that go up to the 14-inch fans. This is one dehumidifier. It's called a fuzzy. So let's take a walk down this tent. Once again, similar design. We're going to do a test run on Wednesday where all systems go on. Very technological tent. My own design, it came to me in part of my visions. We're going to be using 1,000 watt German Narva bulbs. Uh-oh. There seems to be a tear. That's not a tear, nope. So, wonderful, isn't it? Imagine how heavy these are. These are quite heavy. They were 200 or 300 pounds a piece. So, we're gonna go around the corner here. This is one of our exit doors. And let's open the door and see where it goes. Wow, we're in the very back of the building. There's a creek that runs back here. And there's our propane tank, the 1,000 gallon propane tank. There's the propane tank connection. And you hear the wonderful birds. It's a very beautiful sight. Oh, we got locked out. So let's go around the corner. This is the propane connection for the propane tank. (1,000 gallons). This is the back of our storage area. Oh, and look at this wonderful stream that runs through here. This is the back of our storage area with our 8-foot obscured fence with the barbed wire. We have some soil or gravel being delivered. This is the back entrance into our storage area. As you can see, this is our fence. We'll go around here. This is a 40-foot storage container where we keep all our supplies. Now, one of the entrances. Now, this is actually the front of the tent. Okay? This is the master control panel for one of our tents, for tent number 1. See that? Very extensive. I want to point out the extensive electrical work that's been done to this building. It's been tremendous. Let's take a look. That's another exit. Now we're gonna go here. That's the heater. Vents. Primary fan, intake fan with filters. Security cameras, motion detectors. And this is what it looks like in between the valleys of the tents. There we are. Green Harvest Cannabis Company Grow Control Panel. These were custom made panels. They do everything. Walk, talk, shine your shoes, and sing the blues. The grow rooms. The grow rooms are actually the light fields. The lights are divided into 3 sections in each tent, hence grow room 1, 2, and 3. Then the heaters, the filters, the vent systems, all controlled by an electronic brain. Look at all that wiring. An overview. More vents. Cameras. And here's the long view. These tents are 17.5 feet tall. They're square right angles at 12 feet 1 inches. Let's go talk to one of the electricians and hear what he has to say. That's Nathan of Hometown Electric.
I'm on hold.
He's on hold. These are the panel upgrades, as you can see. All current. Let's go look at the supply room. We have 4 rooms in this building. The first one is our office. This is a power room. This is our power room. Now the internet comes through here. This is our alarm system. It's currently disarmed. This is one of our offices. And this is our cameras.
They call me Sean Freeze. I'm from Red Oak, Texas. I've got a 7
This is our bathroom, one of our bathrooms. They're handicap compliant. This is our second bathroom. This is going to be our office. This is our second bathroom. Second bathroom, which will also be a shower. We're nearly finishing that. Oh, that's some air in here. Once again, the cameras. A fast car movie. The second room, this is going to be a utility sink. And there's the plumber finishing his work. This is temporarily a supply room, but those are all of our bulbs. Those 6 boxes, and these are 10 boxes here, close to $20,000 in light bulbs. And then those are all our pots. You can see how many pots we're going to have, quite a few. This is our workstation, soil mixing capacity. We can actually go to the next room from here, and here it is, and automatically lights. And these are our grow tables. We have 145 tables divided into 8 rows of 9 tables each into each tent. So each tent gets, oh, here we go. Each tent gets, let's see, 9, 54, 36. Each tent gets 90 tables, I guess. 8 times 9, 72 tables. Each tent will get 72 tables. So we had 144 tables made. Quite an interesting feat that was. So, let's see if we can go talk to the electrician. These doors go right out to the main floor. Progress in motion. Let's go see what Nathan has to say. This is this way. That's a perspective. That's going to be the main entrance to the site, through that paved parking lot, or paved driveway. Let's see if we can find Nathan. Get all that electrical work. Sorry to interrupt you guys.
Oh, it's all right.
This is Nathan and his erstwhile apprentice.
Yes.
And they are with Hometown Electric, serving all your electrical needs, and they do excellent work. And Nathan, this is a film for the Liquor Control Board.
Okay.
To get a slight progress report to explain what you guys are doing.
Yep. We're pulling in the last wires right now for the CO2 safety
Come this way, because
system.
I'm right in the light.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So we're pulling in the last of our wires right now for the CO2 system. It's a safety. There's going to be a horn strobe inside and outside with the e-stop button. So if there's a buildup of CO2 gases that's potentially harmful to humans, then it's going to trip. It'll turn on all the exhaust fans. It'll shut off the heater. And yeah, that's the last little bit of the puzzle. All the rest of all the control wiring is good to go.
Can you explain it, since the upgrade that you guys recently did? You guys did a 200 amp upgrade?
Yeah. Well, basically, we did load calculations, and in order to have some room for expansion, we upsized from 400 amps to 200 amps. And we added a second panel for our lighting. So we have room for more transformers and more lights if needed.
Well, thank you. And so, in your opinion, when do you think you guys might be done? Or when do you think this whole project might be done?
The whole project? That's up to you. It'll be depending on cameras.
The cameras.
Yeah.
I need you to go after the camera guy, too.
Yeah.
You're gonna...
Okay, I need to call Jared and let him know about
Right.
that. Charlie mentioned that.
Right.
But anyways, Wednesday we'll have our programmers here, and we're going to test everything. Startup will be complete, and we'll be done.
And so I have to install all the bulbs before Wednesday?
Yes, because we want to do a 100% test and take readings so that we know everything's functioning.
So that's HVAC and everything?
Yeah, so we need propane.
Propane?
Yep.
There's no propane in there?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. Great.
You got to get inspection first.
I got to
for
get...
gas piping.
Okay.
Gordon's called it in.
He did?
Yeah.
Okay, great. And there we have it, Misty. Thank you so much, Nathan.
Yep.
Let's take the long walk this way. It's like walking through two valleys of tents. This is very technological. But in addition to that, I'm using OMI rated products for soil. I'm using well water. The best is rainwater, and so I'm going after a high quality organic recreational market, which will overlap into the high quality medical market. Hence the Green Harvest Cannabis Company. So we're looking for Wednesday, Misty, to test all operational systems. And after Wednesday, if all of the systems work, I don't think they all work the first time, but as soon as Wednesday comes around and everybody's working for that date, this is our 1,000 gallon water tank, which will be filled with well water. We're using well water. And then it'll be put on a stand. This is our waste container, our product waste container, which will be placed in the storage area that we had just seen. And there we have it, Misty. I hope this video has brought you up to date on everything, and the only way I could figure it out is to do a video like this. And as you can see, now you can see where all the money went. Thank you, Misty, very much for your patience. And we're shooting for Wednesday, and I'll have a report Wednesday on the conclusion of the test results. Thank you. Signing off, February 23rd, 2017 from the site of the Green Harvest Cannabis Company at 95 US Highway 101, Site A 413339 by Charles Fike. Thank you.